Guys, a question I don't want to get asked. Do I collect fidgets? Well, yes, I do actually. So, my favourite poppet is probably this. It's really hard to pop. It's this one pop block that my friend Scarlett gave to me for free, and I've loved it forever. And if you have TikTok, you should so watch her. She is on Scarlett and Izzy Fidgets, I think, and her videos are just so amazing. Okay? So you should watch that. Anyway, put that down. My favourite spinner probably got to be this. I'll only pop it with one hand, but it's so loud. And let me see if I get it spinning. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay, I can't get it spinning. Sorry guys. But yeah. Favourite dimple is definitely this. It's in my bag right now, but yeah. I'll just pop that. So loud, so nice. Then my favourite stress ball is probably this. Well, stress ball / squishy, because this is just so nice and it seems to have like chunks of slime in it. And favourite squishy is probably this big poop. So nice. I should have, where is it? I have some other fidgets out for filming. Yes, here it is. So I also really like this one. It's a really slow rising. And this tangle. Sorry, that's for later. Why did I show you guys that? That's so in the wrong place. Hey, on to my next thing. So, my favourite puzzle game, is probably my puzzle balls since they're easiest. All this. And then in here I have, how do I open this with one hand? Oh. Okay, in here I have my foot tubes and these. So I really like this one, this marble mesh, because it's really long. And yeah. And then my favourite pop tube, probably this, a light blue one. I actually got these from a clothes shop, which I'll tell you a bit more about later. But yeah, it's a really nice pop tube. Let me just get my other purple one. So nice. Okay. And then I really like this. I don't know why. Just this marble thing I found. And for some reason I really like Slinkies. And this is my favourite snapper. I also have this one. Yeah. I hate snakes, so yeah. And I've got this wacky track and this block. Anyway, oh, I forgot about my mini spinner. To spin. Okay, well, I've got a mini spinner and it's really nice. Oh, and tell me about my tangle. I love it. That goes in there. Then onto the last box. So, as you can see, I really like mochis. This is probably my favourite mochi. First, it's glittery. And second, it's really cute and big. And when they're big, they're squishy and nice. My favourite one of these is probably going to be this one or this one. Really nice. And I love my chunky monkey noodles. Then I have this really nice butter slime. Where is it? Let me get that. How do I open this? Ooh. Hey. That was really nice, but here in England it's really hot, so yeah, in the UK it's really hot right now, so I can't really squish it too much, otherwise I'll get it everywhere. But it's a really nice butter slime. Yeah, so, oh yeah, I also have this, and a blown down DNA, which to me is just fine since you get teenagers nowhere. But anyway, that's it from me today, guys. Bye!